Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out this e-scooter. All right friends, so right here we have this front portion. You can just lift up and fold that out. If you need to put it in the trunk of your car, fits in there nicely. And just close that. Has this nice little kickstand. Boom, get it going. Have the different modes here with the eco mode, and it'll give you like a lot longer range but less speed. And then obviously the D driving and just super mode basically. So goes the fastest, goes up to what, like 19 miles an hour. Pretty sweet. And it's got these brakes here are work really well too. These nice little disc brakes here. So we're gonna take it out for a little drive here and show you guys there. All right, so this is pretty sweet, guys. It goes really fast. Got the lights on the front. A great idea for a Christmas gift or something like that. A lot of fun to ride, actually. Get a little way to transport if you don't have too far to go. Has an app also, so you can lock it so other people can't use it. Just a really sweet little device here. All right guys, so we can check out the app right here. It's got all these things on here. A bunch of different things. You can turn on the taillight on, change the miles per hour to kilometers, cruise control, fixed speed. Go back, it shows the speedometer on there, the battery life, how many miles you've gone. You can lock it. If I try to take it like this, it won't let you take it. The wheels lock up. So, and it makes a beeping noise, so if someone's trying to like ride off on your scooter, you can just put it like, they can still carry it off, but they're not gonna be able to ride off. So another nice little feature there. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching.